defenseless on the rope. The referee may be deciding whether he's going to stop the fight. He is stopping the fight.
Lands to the left. And another left. Ali is doing damage now, and Flynn is taking a beating. Oh, that right hand. The overhand right. I think he nailed him. Flynn against the rope. Hanging on, and on the canvas, he is down.
Joking around for Muhammad Ali. He is trying to drop Webster. There's a good combination. Webster's ready to go. He's ready to go. Ali comes down. Webster's staggering. He's out of the street right now. There's the combination. Ali has his man in trouble. Webster attempting to hang on viciously. He's trying to hang on. He's out on his feet. Ali smokes him. The right hand off the left hook. Drops it. Just Webster. The count is up to 4, up to 5, 6, 7, 8. The referee stops the fight. 1:30 left in the fight. Oh! That left! Floored him! It came from nowhere! Ali came through with a left! The crowd screaming. The first knockdown of the fight. He took the mandatory 8. And now Ali is behaving like the old Ali. One more knockdown in this round. The fight is automatically over. Bonavina is running. If he goes down again, it's over. Ali is the knockout winner.